In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MyFitnessPal on the computer. To start, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you like. In the search bar, type MyFitnessPal and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Look for the official MyFitnessPal website link. This is essential as it ensures you are visiting the legitimate site, avoiding any potential scams or phishing attempts. Once you find the correct link, click on it. This will take you directly to the MyFitnessPal homepage where your journey toward tracking your nutrition and fitness will begin. Next up, once you're on the MyFitnessPal homepage, look for the login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you have an existing account with Google or Facebook, you can also log in using those accounts. This flexibility is convenient and saves you time. After entering your information, click the login button. If you've entered everything correctly, you will gain access to your personal dashboard on MyFitnessPal. This dashboard is your command center for tracking your health and fitness goals. Now that you are logged in, you'll land on the My Home page. This main landing page provides a high-level summary of your daily calorie budget. You will also see your macronutrient progress displayed clearly, along with any recent weight updates. This visual summary is very helpful as it gives you quick insight into your daily intake and exercise. Keeping track of these metrics is crucial for staying accountable to your fitness goals and adjusting your diet as needed. From there, let's move on to the Food tab. This section houses your primary food diary. Here you can log your meals, manage custom recipes, and adjust your daily nutritional goals. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this tab, as it will be your go-to for tracking food intake. You'll see a clean layout where you can easily add foods and see your nutritional information. By keeping a detailed food diary, you can better understand your eating habits and make informed choices moving forward. Next, we have the Exercise tab. Use this area to track your cardiovascular workouts and log strength training sets. Additionally, you can view a history of your past exercise routines. This is significant because it allows you to monitor your physical activity and see how it correlates with your dietary choices. Tracking your exercise alongside your food intake helps create a balanced approach to your health journey. After that, let's take a look at the Reports tab. This section generates detailed visual graphs that track your long-term progress. You can monitor various metrics like weight change, calorie intake, and even waist measurements. This data can span from 7 to 90 days, giving you comprehensive insights into your habits. Understanding these trends is important as it can motivate you to stay on track with your goals and see the results of your hard work. Now for the step-by-step food logging on the desktop, click the Food tab in the main top navigation menu. This action will bring you back to your food diary where you can start logging meals. It's a straightforward process that becomes second nature with practice. Next, locate the specific mealtime slot for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. Underneath the selected meal, click Add Food. This is where the real tracking begins, and you will be able to input what you have eaten. Once you have clicked Add Food, type your food item or brand name into the search bar and press Enter. From the search results database, click on the correct item. This ensures you are logging accurate nutritional information, which is essential for effective tracking. Then use the drop-down menus on the right side to adjust the serving size and number of servings. This allows you to customize your entries to match the actual portion you consumed. Being precise here will lead to more accurate tracking of your intake. Finally, to save the entry, click Add Food to Diary at the bottom. This action confirms that your food entry has been logged successfully. Remember, regularly logging your food is key to achieving your nutritional goals. Consistency is what will lead to lasting change. Thank you for following along and enjoy using MyFitnessPal.